Hello, if you guys are watching this means that, of course, you are trying to connect the capture card. And I'm going to be doing this video to help you guys connect the capture card. Okay, so I'm back on here. I'm on my GoPro right now. And what you need is just a capture card. It works really good. So it's going to come with this blue cable right here, and then an extra HDMI cable. So right here, flip this around. So you plug the blue in all the way to your computer. So this is plugged into my computer. And then you got this. This is a HDMI cable. It needs to go at the bottom. Then whatever you want plugged in has to be on the top on the right. And then I got the PS5 right there. And I'll show you guys what to do after. Okay, so we're back on here. What you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to go on here. You wanna add a capture card. So go on here. First, of course, you want to turn it on. So like that. It's gonna be turning on. And make sure it's plugged in, by the way. Then you want to go video capture device, add device, create new source, name it whatever you want. It'll be right here. So find the resolution for it to work, and then log in. And also, what you're gonna need to do, go back on here. If you don't see anything over here, if you don't see any inputs, then you want to go over here, click add so you can hear this audio. You want to add an input device. You want to add that. And then you want to scroll down to where it says up here. Click settings, properties. And you want to make sure it's digital audio interface. Or whatever you guys have. And you want to scroll down and monitor and output for audio monitoring. Once you have that, you should be good to go. And you should have this. And you can play and everything. And yeah.